Yo guys, this is TNA, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Xiaomi Buds 3T. Now this wasn't a sponsored video. My missus got me this for a early Christmas present, and it's an amazing Christmas present. And yeah, I've actually really wanted one of these. They're probably one of the best like premium but budget earphones. So I say budget, but they normally list for around £100 plus, but they were on some crazy sale for Black Friday. So do keep an eye out on sales on these earphones, and they were around 70-80 quid, which is an absolute bargain. And yeah, she managed to get me one of these before they sold out, and there's still quite a few of them as well. And you can also buy them at Curry's, which is like a local UK like tech store. Curry sell them, I think Argos maybe sell them. You know, there's a few stores that sell them. You can also get them in phone shops as well. And so yeah, special thanks for her to getting me these. I really can't wait to try them out. And in this video we're going to unbox them, and then I'll maybe do a review video later on. I'm just going to leave this as an unboxing video. So we got the Xiaomi Buds here. We do have like a plastic film on top of them. Here it is. We've got like this ripple effect on this box. Super sleek. Let's go ahead and let's just go straight into it and cut this plastic film off. Get straight into it. The thing I love about Xiaomi is they're like the Chinese Android version of Apple. They literally make really good quality packaging. I love this ripple effect. It's actually textured. It's not just a picture. You can actually feel the ripple. It looks awesome. Sort of like a bass sound sort of look. These are the pictures of the actual earbuds. These are the 3T Pros. Look really good. Got a few of the features inside over here. We got 96 kilohertz of HD audio, Bluetooth 5.2, so it's got one of the latest Bluetooth versions, which is really good. It's also got head tracking and spatial audio. We have also got adaptive active noise control, dual magnetic unit with DLC diaphragms, and multi-device smart connection. And then we've got a few more specifications on the back over here. If you want to go ahead and pause it, you can check them out. I'm going to go through the main ones anyway. We've got the model number and the name of the earphones. The weight is around 48 grams. It charges through USB Type-C charge port. Got 32 ohms of independence resistance. You've got earphone input, charger case input. Bluetooth 5.2 is of course the main feature. And it can work through a range of around 10 meters in open space. Right, let's go ahead and do the drop box. So satisfying. Oh, I love that. They kept the ripple effect inside as well. Look at that. That looks well cool. Here we have the actual buds. The color of this is like it's like a black with like matte black with hints of blue, metallic blue in this case. This is really nice. Wow. We'll put that to a side. Let's look at the other stuff that's inside the box. Nothing on here, just a bit of foam. Let's have a look in here. What looks like maybe some tips in here. Looks like maybe some ear tips. Can't seem to get it out. I'm struggling. Oh, there you go. Oh, here we go. Yes, we've got some different tip sizes. We've got small, medium, and large. We'll put this on the side just in case the buds don't come pre-installed with some tips. Most buds normally do come pre-installed with tips, but not all of them. What else do we have? We have our lovely, massive booklet, user manual. No one's ever going to really read this. Put it to the side. What else do we have here? We've got the charger. Of course, it is just a USB to USB-C charger. It's a small charging cable. Pretty basic, pretty simple. All you really need to keep going. I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up. We'll have a look at the buds. So here we have the actual earbuds. I packed everything up, put it all away in the box. And here we have the actual earbuds. Let's go ahead and have a look at these now. So these are it. Looks super nice. Going around overview of the actual box, like I said, it's a really nice matte black metallic blue style. We've got a Xiaomi logo written here. We've got a USB-C port at the bottom of this. So it looks like what looks to be a reset button as well. Doesn't look like there's any light indicator, but just this one single very small dot over here, which is an indicator for the light. It's probably not on right now because there might be some stickers inside closing it off. Let's check the hinge quality. Oh yeah, that sounds great. That hinge quality is really, really good. I wonder if we can... Yeah, look at that. So you can shut it and you can't open it. Let's check the magnets as well. I'd say that was pretty fast. That was quite vigorous actually for me to drop those magnets. We do have a sticker inside here as well, which is probably affecting the contact. Let's pull these stickers off. And then we'll do the magnet test again. Take that off. Hopefully if I slap it on now, should pick it up. Take this side off as well. Right, so I've taken those little stickers off on the inside. Let's do a magnet test again. Yeah, look at that. That is some strong magnets. That's what we love. Can't lose those ones really well. May need to charge these up. Don't seem to be any lights or indicators, so I will do that on the review video, but let's have a quick overview anyway. We've got gloss finish inside the box here, with matte finishing going all the way around. Looks super nice. It is actually quite a very good design. Here we have the actual earbuds. We've got like this shiny chrome bit over here. Looks like maybe the microphone is down underneath here, right there. It does come fitted with some medium soft tips. Perfect. These look like some really, really nice earphones. So these are like these black, got a gloss finish. They're like a blacky metallic blue colour, like a midnight black, midnight blue. Got a metallic finish over here. Maybe another microphone there, may look like. Not sure if you guys can see that, but there is another little punched hole there. Is there any indicator for right or left on these? I mean, they're probably self-explanatory by the way it's designed and which way it fits. Don't seem to be any indicator for right or left written on here. Yeah, I don't see anything. But they look like some really nice design earphones. That is it for this video. This was just a quick unboxing video, and I'm going to do a review video as well once I use it and see how they sound and also charge it up as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and as always, have a good one.